In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Vimeo showcase and add your playlist. We'll keep it simple and clear. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Vimeo. Make sure you're signed in so you can create and manage your content. Once you're on the Vimeo homepage, look toward the left side of the screen for the main navigation. You'll see an option labeled Showcases. Click that to open the area where Vimeo lets you organize videos into a curated viewing experience. A quick note on what a showcase is. It's essentially a branded collection of your videos that you can share with a single link. It's great for portfolios, events, training modules, or anytime you want people to watch videos in a specific order without distractions. Inside the Showcases section, look for the button that says New Showcase. Click it to start your setup. You'll be prompted to give your showcase a title and optionally a description. Choose something clear and helpful for your viewers. This title appears publicly, so it's worth taking a moment to get it right. After naming, you can begin adding your playlist. In Vimeo, that means selecting the videos you want to include and arranging them in the order you want viewers to see them. You can usually drag to reorder, so don't worry if you change your mind about the sequence. As you add videos, consider how the flow feels from one piece to the next. For example, you might start with an overview, follow with deep dives, and end with a call to action video. If your showcase supports it, you can adjust settings like layout, accent color, or cover image to match your brand. You can also review privacy options to control who can view your showcase, and toggle features like allowing downloads or displaying video stats if needed. These are optional refinements, but they help your showcase look professional and stay on message. When you're happy with the title, the included videos, and the order, your setup is essentially done. Save your changes, and your showcase is ready to share. Vimeo provides a direct link you can copy and send to your audience, and in many cases, you'll also find an embed option if you want to place the showcase on a website. That's the entire process. Go to Vimeo, open Showcases, click New Showcase, and start adding your playlist. Take a moment to preview it, check how it looks on mobile, and make any final tweaks so your viewers get the best experience. You're all set to present your videos in a clean, organized, and shareable way.